In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Avios on British Airways. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you two main ways to use Avios on the British Airways website. You will be able to book your next flight and use your Avios points to claim rewards. So all that you have to do is first, for the main option, just use the standard search and book function available on the home screen of the British Airways website. So you can choose to book a flight, choose between return or one-way, and then set up the origin and the destination. Include the departure and return date if applicable. Choose the travel class here, the passengers, and now you are good to go. When you click Find Flights, a comprehensive list of everything that fits the filters that you chose will appear, and now you can choose from any of these flights. Now, when you choose a flight from this list and you are redirected, one of the options here is going to be Save with Avios. So this is the option that you are looking for. Once you reach this page, before proceeding any further, when you see your total price, just log in to use Avios. You will be redirected to another page where you can include your email or username or the membership number alongside your password, and this will allow you to consume the Avios reward points that you have on your account to get a discount on this or any other flight. Now, if I go back to the main website of British Airways, there is also an alternative option if this one doesn't work or the Avios cannot be used for whatever reason. If you go back to the home screen here, you will be able to go over to Book and then choose the option to book a flight with Avios. Essentially, this is the same thing. You can choose between booking with Avios only or booking and upgrading with Avios, of course. And in here, you can include the same things as you did in the home screen. So the origin, destination, departure, choose between a return or one-way flight, and then just do the same thing, but you will be preemptively signed in. And all of the flights that appear on these results should be eligible to be used with Avios. And you can browse through various other options here to left. So you have the flights, which is the main thing that people look for, but you also have upgrades, part payments, all of the tools, calculators, hotel stays, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Avios on British Airways. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.